Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison Paige and let's just jump into the video. So for today's video I am going to be letting my dogs pick my makeup. The dogs you will see in this video are Toffee, who you will have seen in the back of my 400 subscribers video, and Mojo, who you would have seen when she was very little in my I think it's called Meet Miss Mojo. I pre-filmed them choosing all of the products that I'm going to be using, so let's just get straight into the makeup look. Okay, so for primer I had the options of my cream thingy or my spray. I think I attempted to get Toffee to pick first, but he was not having it, so in the end Mojo picked my cream. Okay, so for foundation I gave Mojo 4 options: my Rimmel Stay Matte, my CoverGirl tinted moisturizer, the weird orange one that I used in my Tinder chooses my makeup video, and technically it's a contour palette, but I'm going to be using the lightest shade as the full foundation. Okay, so that's a lot more orange than I thought it was going to be. For concealer I gave Mojo again my usual 2 options of my Kat Von D or my cream contour, my other cream contour palette thingy, and she chose the cream contour palette thingy. To set that, I only have 1 baking powder. Okay, for bronzer I gave Toffee, maybe? I think it might have been Toffee. Yeah, I think it was Toffee. The option of this or my normal little circle thingy. And yeah, Toffee chose this one. I'ma be real tan. Okay, so for blush I put out 3 options. I attempted to get Toffee to choose, but Mojo ended up choosing. I went with the one that she put her paw in first, which is this again. Let's do my old usual. Now for eyebrows, which I don't know why I didn't do them first. I gave Toffee the option of my eyebrow pencil and my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and he chose the pomade. Okay, so my camera died, so I just finished off the other eyebrow. For eyeshadow I gave Mojo the choice of this neutral palette or these 2 palettes that both have very bright colours on them. I just did it that whichever one she knocked over first would be it, and she chose these 2. So I'm going to attempt to do something. You know what I haven't done yet? I haven't done a green look. So I'm gonna do something green. Mermaid. Okay, now for eyeliner and false lashes and stuff, I left that decision up to me. I didn't know what I was going to do with my eyes, so I didn't know whether I'd want eyeliner. I think I do want eyeliner in my waterline and on my tight line. mainly because it would be a waste to not use this. Why do I have a green eyeliner, you might ask? I got very into St. Patrick's Day last year. I'm going to put on false lashes and then see how I feel about the look. Okay, so for mascara, I gave Toffee the option of L'Oreal Double Extend one or my usual Calico one. He ended up choosing the L'Oreal one. Okay, now for highlighter, I gave Toffee, I think, the option of my Hourglass one or the cream stick one that I have, and he chose my Hourglass one. Okay, I cannot find my highlighter brush, so I'm just going to put it on with my fingers. And I think to go with the green theme, I'm going to chuck a little bit of this over top of the highlight on my cheekbones. This is glitter, by the way. Now for lipstick, I gave Mojo the option of this purple one, which I chose because I haven't worn it in ages, and my normal nude one. She chose the purple one. Now the thing I don't like about this is the wand is really shit to control and you have to apply it like 5 to 6 times for it to work, but you know, let's do it. Okay, so there is the finished look. I actually really like it. My face is a tad orange. I mean, it's whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Tell me what your dog's name is if you have a dog. If you don't have a dog, tell me what you would name a dog. Leave the dog emoji if you just don't like dogs. Subscribe if you haven't already, and tap the bell notification to be notified every time I post. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!